Hello, readers, and thank you for joining me for lesson number 3 of our J sound. And we've been doing this for the past couple of days, and we've really been looking at the J sound spelled with a G or DGE. And those are primarily the ones we've been looking at today. We've touched a little bit of GE, just to let you know, but primarily G and DGE. Now, to make the J sound, and I have had some students who've had some difficulty with this sound, so some of you may have some difficulty too, and that's okay. That's why we're learning together. And it is a voice sound, which means if you make the sound and you touch your throat, j, j, you can feel a little vibration, and it is voiced. To make the sound, you can see the picture there. That's how your mouth should look. And then you just push the air through. J. Can you make the sound? Very good. Thank you so much. Now, there are two different spellings we're looking at this week, G or DGE. Notice neither one of them are a J, even though it makes the J sound. One is when you hear the J sound after a consonant or a long vowel. At the end of a word or syllable, it's spelled with a G. At the beginning of a word, if you hear the J sound, followed by an E, I, or Y, it's also spelled with a G. And you can see that right here with the word gym. It's followed by an E, so we say gym, and not gym. You can see the same thing in the word gym for a gymnasium, G-Y-M. Also, for DGE, when you hear the J sound after a short vowel at the end of a word or syllable, it's spelled DGE. And you can see that right here with the word badge. Badge has a short vowel, ah. And so after the ah is the J sound, so therefore it's spelled DGE. I hope that helps, but right now we're going to practice reading just a few words with that J sound. And then we're going to race the teacher and see who can read the words the fastest. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sound, J. Sound, Y. Put that together, Jim, gym, Jim, gym. That E makes the I sound on that. I think I may have said it wrong there. Sound, sound, Put that together, I. Put that together, fridge, fridge. You might keep drinks or food in a fridge to keep it cold. Sound, P. Sound, A. That's right. You see that bossy E over here. Put that together, page, page. I couldn't wait to read another page of the book. Sound, P. Sound, L. Put that together, pull, Put that together, pledge, pledge. At your school, you might say the Pledge of Allegiance at the beginning of the day. A pledge is a promise. Let's review some sounds we've learned already before we race the teacher, and let's see which ones we can remember. Say these with me. St, nt, ter, nk, ch. And we know ed can make 3 sounds. D, id, t, u, a, e, sometimes a, mostly e, o, r, or. Now, are you ready to race the teacher? Let's get started. Badge, huge, judge, giraffe, edge, gems, smudge, magic, bridge, engine, fudge, giant, dodge, large, cage, wedge, agent, ledge. How'd you do? Did you beat me on those words? I honestly, I hope you did. Guys, thanks for joining me this week on our lessons on the J sound, spelled G or DGE. I hope to see you next time on our next lesson, but until then, happy reading.